Okay, we're going to have a bit of a look at all the different connections and integrations available in 4.4, which you can access as an administrator from your dashboard by going to Admin and then Connections. And you can do all the different connections, all the different services that we have down here. So we're going to start at the top with call recording. So 4.4, of course, has its own note taker available to join your meetings automatically and record those. But in the event that you already have a call recording solution, there are several different ones we can already integrate with. Sales productivity ones such as Gong or Jiminy. Outreach, we support both Outreach Voice and Outreach Kaya. So we can import those video Teams conversations and so on, as well as the BDR style phone conversations. And for HubSpot, we support the ability to import from services that HubSpot, well, you've already got HubSpot integrated. So like an air call or something like that you're using for your VoIP dialing. If you've got that integrated with HubSpot, we can pull the calls in from there and analyze those. So we've got great coverage over your organization from that perspective. Yep, and finally, Chorus down here. If you've got Zoom Info Chorus, we can extract calls from there as well. Scrolling down a bit, we've got CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot. From these, we import the CRM records, accounts, opportunities, contacts, leads, and so on. And then you can filter and group your insights and conversations according to your CRM data, like show me all the insights that were gathered at this opportunity stage or from this account. So that's a really powerful integration. So that one's definitely the one that definitely when you get it connected up. Service management, if you're using a service management tool, a support ticketing tool, such as Salesforce's Service Cloud or Zendesk, we can import the support tickets as conversations from those systems. So we can analyze those just the same as any other conversation that you're having with your clients from any other kind of system. We have productivity services we integrate with. And we do this both for single sign-on. So if you're using Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace as your single sign-on tool for your organization, you connect this and then people will be able to log in using those services to get access to the system. But we also use this to get access to calendar information. So if you're using our Notetaker, we can automatically join the right meetings with external prospects and customers by integrating automatically with your calendar. When you do that, every individual user still has control over how the note taker joins those meetings or whether it joins those meetings. But getting this signed up is a really good time-saving tool. We integrate also with product management tools and sort of developer planning tools like Product Board and Jira. So if you've got the product board integration, we can push conversations and insights into product board. So they're going directly to that product management team, and that team can choose which kinds of conversations they're interested in. Maybe they're only interested in certain kinds of accounts, new customers, those kinds of things. So they can get those automatically pushed into product board. And same with Jira. We can push into any kind of Jira product, including Jira product discovery projects. So you can really use this in extremely flexible ways, both with Product Board and Jira, to get the information right in front of your product management team. And then finally, maybe you want to get the data back out of 4.4, those conversations, those topic models you've created, the topics, the insights. And you can do that both through a direct connector we have with Microsoft Power BI, which is great. You can import very straightforwardly into Power BI and refresh those data sets in the cloud. And now you can link them with other data sets in your organization, maybe financial information or planning information or something like that. So then you can start to build your own dashboards that incorporate 4.4 data. And then finally, maybe you don't like any of our existing integrations and you want to build your own, you can do that with our REST API, which is fully documented and allows access to anything that we hold in our system, whether we created it from, for example, our own note taker, or whether it was imported from one of the other systems. So 4.4 can be a great hub to get access to your customer information. Again, whether that's tickets, conversations recorded by us, or otherwise CRM data, product information. You can get that all through our REST API. You can do it through a combination of using our REST API via our documentation and our OAuth interaction down here. So we've got a really rich set of data services we can pull from, push to, and so the more of these you can add, the more information you get in 4.4, but the more flexibility you have in the way you cut that data up and be able to visualize that data in 4.4. So definitely connect all the different services you have. Thanks.